Glam Squad presents
7 beauty tips and hacks for blemished skin. 1. Profile your blemishes. There is any scars or marks on your face that are relatively new. Take care of them right away so that it doesn't turn into a problem you can't handle at home or by yourself. 2. Color correct, then conceal. Color correcting palettes typically come in colors orange, green, yellow, and purple. For fair skin, the colors are more on the pastel side, while the palettes meant for dark skin offer more vibrant and saturated colors. Green for redness and acne. Orange-pink for dark marks and hyperpigmentation. Yellow for dark purple bruises, under-eye circles, and veins. Purple to combat dull skin and yellowish discoloration. 3. Toss the face scrubs. The scrubs aren't all that great for every face. Salt, sugar, microbeads, and everything else found in a scrub is often too abrasive for any skin type. 4. Don't skip your nightly routine. You must even attempt to deep clean after collecting all of that dirt and bacteria on your skin throughout the day. 5. Protect your skin from the sun. The sun can be your worst enemy when dealing with blemished skin. Be mindful of how much exposure to the sun your face gets when you're outside, and everything should be fine.